Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video, and welcome to part 2 of the Mcusta knife unboxing. Now, if you haven't had a chance to check out part 1, I'll leave a link for it right up here. In that video, we unboxed 5 new knives. Now, I still have no idea what knives Mcusta has sent me, but in this video, we're going to unbox 10 new knives, 5 in this box and 5 in this box. Each of these knives is going to have its own review, but for now, let's find out what's in these boxes. Let's have a look at knife number 1. I see a wooden handle. Ooh, check out the grain on that. Beautiful coloring. Nice pocket clip. Here's knife number 1. Moving on to knife number 2. Beautiful finish. Quick look at the pocket clip. Knife number 2. Knife number 3. Ooh, I see a white handle under there. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. All right, quick look at the pocket clip there. Let's check out the blade profile. Ooh. Knife number 3. On to knife number 4. Ooh, another white handle. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay. Beautiful handle again. Wonder if this one has a different blade profile. This one feels a little bit smaller. Yep. All right, there's knife number 4. Halfway mark, knife number 5. Let's see what we got here. Another wooden handle. Ooh, this one's a little bit darker. Love that pocket clip. Let's check out the blade. Beautiful. On to knife number 6. Oh, look at that. Holy cow. Incredible. Check out the blade. Oh, Damascus. It's knife number 6. Knife number 7. Ooh, is that like a black wood? That is crazy looking. Check out the blade. Damascus. Beautiful. Knife number 8. Oh, there's that crazy looking scale. Look at that. That pattern is so crazy looking. This feels a little bit smaller than the other one. Check out the blade. Knife number 8. On to knife number 9. Oh, looks like another hammered finish. Oh, that's a tiny knife. I'm not going to try to flick that up. I'm just going to open it like this. Don't want it to go flying across the room. There's knife number 9. Finally, knife number 10. Ooh, looks like that black finish. Absolutely stunning again. Well, let's have a look at the blade. There is your final knife. Knife number 10. Alright guys, there you have it. 10 new knives, 10 new unboxings. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these 10 knives was your favorite. And remember to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified when the next knife unboxings get released. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.